everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm telling you right now, you're about to see something that will completely reset what you thought a camper bus could be. And I don't mean kinda cool upgrade or nice little redesign. I mean a camper bus so futuristic, so ridiculously luxurious, so mind-bending in its details that the RV world might need a moment to breathe after this one. Because what you're looking at is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Camper Bus concept. And trust me, nothing, absolutely nothing, prepares you for this. The first time you see it, your brain does that little double-take thing, you know? Like when something looks way too smooth, way too perfect, almost unreal. The entire exterior looks like it rolled straight out of a silent sci-fi movie, where every surface is perfectly sculpted, and the future is always clean. The body lines are calm and elegant, almost floating, with that signature Rolls-Royce presence, like it knows it's the most important thing in the parking lot, and doesn't need to brag. And those headlights? They don't just turn on, they glow, like a pair of luxury diamonds that somehow learned how to become LED lights. The front grille carries that iconic Rolls-Royce confidence, but softened, widened, stretched into something that feels both powerful and peaceful at the same time. It's not aggressive, it's authoritative. Now, once you're done staring at the outside, because yes, you will stare, things get even better inside. The moment the doors slide open, it hits you. This isn't a camper, this isn't an RV, this isn't even a tour bus. This is a mansion on wheels, built by a brand that doesn't know how to do average. Every surface looks handcrafted. The lighting isn't harsh, it's warm, soft, almost buttery, like it's gently spotlighting every detail without making you feel like you're on display. The seats look like something straight out of a first-class international flight, except more comfortable. They don't just recline, they transform. Lounge mode, travel mode, sleep mode. Everything feels like it was designed for someone who refuses to be uncomfortable for even 1 second. And the materials? Think premium leather, real wood trims, brushed metal accents, and fabrics so premium you feel guilty touching them. Even the walls and ceiling have that smooth, luxury texture Rolls-Royce is famous for. It's like stepping inside a luxury loft that just happens to move at highway speeds. Now let's talk space, because this camper bus doesn't just have good space. It has smart space. The living area feels open. The kitchen is compact but elegant, more like a yacht galley than an RV kitchenette. Storage is built into everything. Hidden compartments, silent drawers, overhead cabinets that close like a whisper. Nothing shakes, nothing rattles, nothing feels cheaply added. And the bedroom? Let's be honest, most RV bedrooms feel like good enough. But this one feels like a hotel suite. Soft ambient light, big comfortable bed, privacy panels, and the kind of atmosphere that makes you forget you're traveling at all. But of course, a camper bus this stunning needs an engine that matches the vibe. Rolls-Royce doesn't play around with performance. We're talking silent power, smooth, strong acceleration, and the ability to cruise with that signature Rolls glide. No noise, no vibration, just motion that feels like floating. Imagine heading cross-country, California to New York, and barely feeling the road under you. It's engineered to handle long-distance travel like it's nothing. Hills, mountains, highways, back roads. This thing eats miles like candy. And here's the craziest part. It's surprisingly efficient for what it is. 2026 wasn't about building louder vehicles. It was about building smarter ones. With hybrid assist, active suspension, and next-level stability systems, this camper bus moves with confidence. Even at full load, it stays balanced and calm. Now, the question everyone always asks, what about price? Well, it's Rolls-Royce. If the brand's name alone doesn't prepare your wallet, nothing will. This thing isn't going to be cheap. We're talking high six figures, maybe touching 7, depending on final trims. This is for the people who want the absolute peak of luxury travel. No compromises, no shortcuts. But here's the honest truth. In 2026, when every other RV brand is fighting to stand out, this camper bus doesn't compete. It exists in its own world, a world where quality comes first, where comfort is king, and where the journey matters just as much as the destination. And that's why this thing is the best of 2026. It doesn't try to be weird or wild. It just tries to be perfect. And honestly, it gets pretty close. Because think about it. How often do you see a camper bus that combines mansion-level interiors, luxury yacht energy, futuristic lighting, quiet glide driving, wild comfort features, and a design that makes every other RV look like last decade's news? This camper bus isn't for everyone. It's for the dreamers, for the people who don't just travel, they live on the road. For those who want their journey to feel like an experience, not a chore. For those who want to sleep under warm lights, work on a smooth desk, cook in a premium kitchen, and watch the world slide past with the silence of an electric cloud. And honestly, whether you can afford it or not, you have to admit, it's refreshing to see a company push the boundaries this far. It shows what's possible, what the future of luxury travel could look like, and maybe, just maybe, what every RV brand will try to copy in the next few years. So if you're someone who loves camper vans, motorhomes, RVs, or futuristic concepts, keep your eyes on this. Because even if you never own one, this is the type of vehicle that shifts the entire industry forward. All right, everyone, that's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 Rolls-Royce Camper Bus, hit that like button, drop your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insane camper concepts and real-world RV reviews. Thanks for watching, stay safe, enjoy the journey, and I'll see you in the next one.